Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2021 Toyota Highlander? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2021 Toyota Highlander engine compartment fuse box houses fuses and relays that protect key components like the engine, cooling system, and lighting. It has a labeled plastic cover indicating fuse locations and amperage ratings. The box includes high amperage fuses for major systems and standard blade fuses for smaller circuits. Instrument panel fuse box. The 2021 Toyota Highlander instrument panel fuse box contains fuses that protect interior electrical components like the infotainment system, power windows, and dashboard controls. It has a labeled cover for easy identification of fuse locations and amperage ratings. This fuse box primarily uses low amperage blade fuses for various cabin functions. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.